Hey everyone, this is our iteration plan sync meeting for this product marketing group and digital experience for March 27th. I'm going to hand this over to Nathan and we can discuss our plans for the iteration and kind of go from there.
Thanks, Justin. Yeah, so this iteration, there's an issue to kind of make categories and features a little more, I guess, easier to edit from the content perspective, because there's some shared language between multiple pages, competitor pages. So we want to try and have a single source of truth for those. There's also security jobs. So we have a bunch of security jobs that run, but we don't actually clean up our dashboards or get rid of false positives or false positives. Yeah, that's it. So I want to go through that and clean that up. Also, it's going to be the pricing updates. So I'm going to jump on those this iteration. I think it's April 3rd, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty much just actually putting the new pricing instead of saying like pricing is updating on whatever date. And then if there's anything that comes back from the MR or the review for the case study template, address that. Hopefully that'll get wrapped up today, tomorrow, and then we can start on case studies this iteration. And then there's one to look into third-party tracking scripts on the marketing site. So I'll work with Dennis on that one. And if there's time left over, I'm sure I can pick something up or start migrating topics or case study pages. But that's it for me. Javi, I'll go next.
Thank you, Nathan. This iteration, I'm going to see where the progress is for the RSA landing page and then just shepherd that along. Up next, I have working with the topics root page and see if we can just slipperify that up, tag a design, and have a UI update for that. That's it for me for now. I'm off next week, which I thought I'd call out. I'll pass it over to Mateo.
Thank you, Javi. I have from last iteration the World Tour landing page open. I will work on any feedback that comes up for that one. I will also create the city template page. I think we just have content for one of the cities, but the template should work for all of them. And I'll also fix some Anchor alignment issues for release posts. And then I will continue migrating topics pages over to buyer's experience. And next is Margaret.
Yep. So for this iteration, I'm going to continue working on the developer survey updates. We got a new design from Trevor, so I'm just going to continue updating that. We also have some shared the form updates, so I'm just going to wait for the last bugs fixed. And I think that's it for me, but as soon as I'm done with the developer survey page, I guess I'm just going to pick up some of the topic pages migration or just any open issues that are available. Sorry. Back to you, Justin.
Awesome. Yeah, and there might be a few other issues to come that we might spin up. Incubation page, if content's ready on that, that'll probably come down. That one I think is relatively easy, but there might be a new layout section based upon earlier conversations. So we can take that out as it comes. That might need design, so that may not come to engineering this iteration, but we'll figure that one out. And I think, yeah, that might be it for right now. Thanks, everyone.